NBC Action News starts right now with breaking news.
And breaking news tonight at 11, the fight over face masks in schools is ramping up. The governor just appealed a judge's ruling that allows school districts to toughen up their mask requirements. Good evening, everyone. I'm Jamison Euler. Wendy is on assignment. A lot has changed quickly in the last few hours, so let's break it all down for you here tonight. Around 4 o'clock today, a judge finalized his ruling from last week. The ruling said Governor DeSantis overstepped his authority by ordering school boards not to put strict mask mandates in place. Mandates where most parents can't opt their kids out. And then, just before 9 o'clock tonight, the governor's lawyers filed an appeal, essentially asking a higher court to reverse that decision. Minutes later, lawyers representing a group of parents that sued the state filed an emergency motion asking that appeal to be stayed. That would keep the earlier ruling in place. So where does all of this leave school districts right now? Before all this even played out today, the state took steps against districts that defied them. Our Haley Bull filed this report earlier tonight.
School districts in some of the state's biggest cities, like here in Tampa, have stood firm. Their mandates are in compliance, and we're already citing this court case before today. While the latest COVID surge took hold in Florida, some of the state's biggest school districts defied state leaders with stricter mask mandates as some parents took the issue to court. In a newly signed order, a judge blocking the state rules and explaining that law doesn't allow defendants punish school boards for adopting mask mandates without parental opt-outs if school boards were denied their due process rights. But before the ink dried, the education commissioner already sent letters to some school systems indicating he'd recommend withholding funds from school board members' salaries if districts didn't comply. A spokesperson for the Florida Department of Education saying they'd continue to act with urgency to protect the rights of parents and students.
Taking these actions may bring about consequences.
Miami-Dade County Public Schools in the crosshairs. The district offered this statement.
We stand by the fact that this is a small price to pay to ensure the health and well-being of our students and the workforce that teaches them and protects them.
The school districts wrote back into the state, maintaining they were in compliance with the law, in some cases citing the court case and pointing to the impact of COVID on their districts. Hillsborough County writing student positivity, quarantines, and isolations decreased since implementing its mask rules.
I think that the practice itself is, at a very minimum, contrary to the spirit of the ruling, but more likely contrary to the actual content of the ruling.
The governor asked about state steps before the judge's order came out.
But I do think you'll see the Board of Education in the meantime discipline the politicians similar to what they did in Alachua and really do that. But what I've said is, look, it's not the kids' fault. It's not the teachers' fault on any of this. This is more of a political dispute. So they're going to focus, I think, what they're doing on the politicians.
In Tampa, I'm Haley Bull.